Welcome to BridgeMind Consulting, a registered MSME with deep expertise in infrastructure advisory and engineering education. Founded by Brijesh Chandra Srivastava, we blend technical mastery with practical insights. At BridgeMind, our dual verticals drive success. One delivers expert infrastructure advisory while Cerebral Pursuits transforms experience into accessible engineering education. We stand by clarity and integrity. Our advisory services cover complex projects in railways, bridges, and civil engineering, while our learning vertical converts decades of experience into practical training for professionals and students. Focusing on insurance advisory, we expertly guide clients through construction all-risk and indemnity nuances, ensuring risk management is technical, legally sound, and operationally effective. Our founder, Brijesh Chandra Srivastava, an IIT Roorkee alumnus with 36+ years of expertise, drives ongoing innovation, robust affiliations, and continuous leadership development in the industry. Discover a consultancy that merges ethical advisory with educational excellence. Connect with us via our website, email, or social platforms to elevate your infrastructure projects today.